Hi everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in the gorgeous Tuscany. We are in the area of San Casciano, Val di Pesa, very close to Florence. And we are about to visit together an outstanding villa. It is completely, beautifully restored, and it even has its own olive grove, vineyard, its beautiful Italian garden and stunning swimming pool. All of this right in front of the Tuscan views. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa initially was a guard tower, part of an extensive fortification system guarding the roads between Florence and Siena. The actual villa was then built in the 15th century and then immediately remodeled in the 16th Renaissance style. The historic Carocci in his writing mentions the various families who have in the years owned the villa. Among these we find Del Buono, Bonaccorsi, Marzili and Buontalenti. The property is located 30 minutes to the airport of Florence, 1 hour to the airport of Pisa and just under 1 hour and a half to the airport of Bologna. Externally, the villa is embedded within its 4.1 hectares of land, which are about 10.1 acres, made up of 1.5 hectares of Chianti Classico vineyard and 2.2 hectares of beautiful olive grove with about 900 trees. Then the rest is about 4,000 square meters of stunning Italian garden. The villa was restored in 2010 and is now in immaculate conditions. It can be accessed through a main driveway, which then divides into two parts. This gate on the left, which leads to an upper parking, dedicated to the two independent accessed apartments on the last floor of the villa, whilst the lower access leads onto a large parking, which is used by the main people that live in the villa and also has access onto two large garage spaces. On the lower terrace of the garden we find this stunning 14 by 7 meters swimming pool, completely surrounded by this beautiful sunbathing area all around to enjoy the sun and all of these palm trees for some shade. Also, there is a nice and large pergola on this side with underneath an outdoor living area where you can enjoy some shade or have lunch by the pool. Right below the swimming pool, we find an annex building, which on a side is used as a gym area, whilst on the other it is used to keep wine. It also has a bathroom and on the back some storage spaces. Let's now have a closer look at the villa. It is laid on 4 levels connected by stairs and by a lift. It is 800 square meters, so about 8,600 square feet with 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. It is really a pleasure to admire these beautiful Italian gardens surrounding the villa. On this side, they are facing the front facade of the villa, and at the center we find this beautiful classic fountain. On the upper left side of the facade, we also find a sundial to indicate the time, and in the center we see the main entrance. The ground floor of the villa starts with this entrance space. It has on these two sides two wardrobes, whilst on the right side we get to the apartment of the housekeeper. It can be accessed either through this door or through its independent access from outside. It is a nice apartment with a bedroom, living area, and a bathroom and a kitchen. As we keep going, we find this space here with the stairs to go to the first level, whilst on the left there is a bathroom for the common areas. Here we have another wardrobe. Let's keep going. Next, we find this large dining area with, on the left side, this corner that is like a tea corner. In the center, we find this beautiful table right here, and it overlooks the Tuscan countryside right in front. On the right side, it then keeps going. There is the sitting area for our TV space, and in the end, it accesses to one of the bedrooms of the villa with its own ensuite bathroom. Over here, we find one of my favorite areas, the loggia. Let me show you. This, I believe, is one of the best spots of the villa. There is a nice, pleasant, constant breeze passing through. It has this huge table, perfect to spend time with your loved ones, overlooking the beautiful Tuscan countryside. Right by the dining space, we find the large kitchen of the villa. Also here we find this beautiful terracotta floor, the wooden beams. The kitchen is nice and large and fully equipped. It has on this side this cast iron barbecue area with this fireplace part that is working. Whilst in the center, I have to mention this beautiful handmade stone table made by skillful artisans. The kitchen also has access to the second parking of the villa. If you have guests over, you can come right through the second gate, park here, and they can access through their independent door on this side. Inside that door, we find a nice and large reception area with the access to the staircase to go upstairs, but also to the lift to access the last floor with the two apartments. Let me also mention the staircase which go to the lower level of the villa. There, on my right side, we go to the wine cellar of the villa. It is antique and beautifully preserved. Perfect to store all of your wine. On the left side, we find a nice and large laundry space and the access to the garage of the villa. We're now on the first floor of the villa. This floor can also be accessed through the large, beautiful outdoor staircase on the front facade we've seen earlier. This is a large reception area characterized by these beautiful stone floors, high vaulted ceilings. On this side, on the central door, we also have access onto the elevator that connects the floors. Over here, instead, we find this nice and cozy office space overlooking the Tuscan countryside. On the floor there is this beautiful terracotta mixed with marble, and on the right side, let me show you the living area. This is one of the most beautiful and impressive rooms of the villa. It has some stunning proportions. typical of Italian historical villas. The floor is as well made out of marble and terracotta, just like the office. Double height ceilings with beautiful coffered wooden ceilings. And on this side, have a look at this gorgeous antique 14th century library. Right in the center on this side, we find the fireplace that is working and perfect for the winter time. Let's now see the terrace overlooking the countryside. This is without a doubt another one of my favorite spots. It has a beautiful, gentle, pleasant breeze. From here, you overlook all of your property with the Italian garden, the swimming pool, the olive grove, the vineyard. Also, by the way, the west is right there, so this is also a perfect spot to enjoy some fantastic evening sunsets. Through the sitting space on one corner, we access to the master bedroom of the villa. It is beautiful with double height ceilings. This wall right here has some stunning exposed stone. It has the bed. Over here we have the ensuite bathroom, and through the mezzanine level we have a walk-in wardrobe. Completing the circle of the floor, we have on the left side another bedroom with ensuite bathroom, and on the right we get to this fantastic room that is currently used as a sitting space. It is very large, some beautiful proportions, double height coffered ceilings, and actually it would be perfect to be as well a bedroom, with the bed right there in the middle. And on my right, over there, have a look at this stunning bathroom. We're now on the last floor of the villa. It can be accessed through the lift I just took or the stairs. Up here, we find the two apartments I told you about. Have a look at it. It is beautiful and full of natural lights. Here as well we find the traditional terracotta floors, the stone fireplace, a nice and spacious living area with a mezzanine level with one of the bedrooms and a bathroom. On my right side we have the kitchen fully equipped with a marble top overlooking the Tuscan countryside, and it has access together with the living space to a nice and pleasant loggia overlooking the Italian garden. Whilst on this side we have the second bedroom of the apartment, nice and spacious, overlooking the gardens and with its ensuite bathroom. Welcome to the second apartment of the last floor. It is very similar to the one we've just seen, nice and spacious with this nice and cozy sitting area as we walk inside. Terracotta, the stone fireplace. Up there we find the mezzanine level with the bedroom and the bathroom, whilst down below we find the access onto the bedroom and ensuite bathroom. On my right side there is the dining space, whilst over here we find the kitchen. This apartment as well has access to the beautiful loggia we've seen earlier over there on the right. We've now reached the end of today's property tour. This property really has it all. The vicinity to Florence while still being immersed in the Tuscan countryside. The historical charm of the villa and of these beautiful gardens. It also has a stunning swimming pool immersed in this garden with the olive grove and its Chianti Classico wine production. I am in love with this property and I hope you liked it just as much. Please, before I leave you, remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best villas of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!